4:40. So it is 5 o'clock, 5 a.m. We're on the way to the hospital for my C-section. Scheduled at 7:30, but we have to be there at 5:30. And I woke up at 3 because I had really bad heartburn per the usual. But I couldn't go back to sleep after that. I just like too, I guess, nervous. I kind of have a little bit of nausea because I feel kind of nervous, but it just sucks having surgery, so in general. But we're all packed and ready. We got like 3 bags. We got like 3 freaking bags, blanket, boppy, all that, so we're on our way. Can you see me?
Here we are at the hospital. She's about to do it.
My room. Show the board.
Baby Cairo on his way.
On the way. Thank you.
Yeah, he is a little guy. I was just going to say the same thing. I called Melissa for
He's over there getting warmed up in the warmer. And he fed for like 25 minutes. We were just talking about how light he is. His hair is like a really light brown. I'm sure it'll darken up and stuff, but this tiny little baby. So cute. He's chilling.
Let me get a close up. Hey, little buddy. Huh? Hanging out at the beach, huh?
Getting it down.
Showing off your muscles. Cute. There's my other baby back ribs right there.
Starving. As far as me, I'm feeling pretty good. I really didn't get too nauseous. I got nauseous a little bit while I was in there in the operating room, but the anesthesiologist, just gave me some medication and it made me feel better. I don't feel nauseous right now. I'm just kind of relaxed. I'm starving. That's the only thing I can say is I'm like really, really hungry. But other than that, just hanging out, ready to eat. So earlier when I said I wasn't sick, I spoke way too soon because I got really, really sick from the anesthesia. I've thrown up like 3 times, but I've been able to eat. You can see it on my face. I'm just really exhausted. But I was able to get up and walk, and my incision hasn't given me too much pain. So I'm really surprised by that. And just show. Hold on, let me turn it. Little man is doing some skin to skin. His temperature is kind of low, and his blood sugar has been it was only low once, so I've just been breastfeeding him as much as I can, get his blood sugars up, and they want him to warm up before they give him a bath. So we're just kind of waiting for him to warm up. I did some skin to skin to try and warm him up so he can get his first bath. Daddy was over there holding him pretty much the whole time, like all morning while I've been sick, but I'm feeling better now, so we're just waiting for dinner, and so far everything is okay, besides me being sick for a little bit, but I knew that was going to happen, even with the meds and stuff they gave me. I just had to basically just get it out of my system and throw up a few times, so we're doing good so far.
So bad.
Baby's first bath.
Oh,
Oh, see? It's nice and warm. Relaxing. Spotty.
He's like, oh, all right.
He's like, alright then.
I guess I won't eat for a minute.
Alright, good. Wide awake in there? Cairo. Is it time to eat? Yeah. Been content, have you? Yeah, it's time to eat. Let's eat.